Hello, I am going to review the Kitchen Selectives single drip 1 cup coffee maker. I've had it for over a year now and so far I have loved it. I don't have to deal with paper filters, I don't have to deal with pods, it's very easy to wash. I want a cup of coffee, I get a cup of coffee. And most important, it's super inexpensive. It doesn't get easier than this. Let me show you. This coffee machine is very, as you can see, is very compact. It doesn't take much space in my counter. It came with this mug. I love the fact that you don't have to use paper filters. This comes apart and you can either rinse or wash on the dishwasher or whatever you prefer. Let's make some coffee, okay? I'm gonna fill it with 1.5 cup, which is 1 mug of water. And I'm going to pour about 1.5 tablespoons of coffee. Just close it. There's a button there. And now you just wait for it. It only takes a few seconds. And you can hear the water brewing. There it is. It already started to make the coffee. While we wait for the coffee, I'm gonna tell you that it doesn't have any features, like you already can tell. It doesn't have auto warm function, so you would have to drink your coffee right away, and of course remember to turn it off. This used to have a logo here that's a Kitchen Selectives, but it faded when I was cleaning it, so I just kind of took it all away. I've seen it red, teal, this one is black. I'm not sure if they have another color, but and the price, I purchased this for about $10 last year, but I think the price went up to about $15 now. There we go, all done with the coffee. This is the time when you're going to turn it off. And another thing that some people, I've seen reviews that they complain about it. I don't really care about it. This button at the beginning, when you clicked on it, it had a spring that would just make the lid pop open, but the spring seems like it wasn't strong enough for something. It's still easy for me to open it with one hand. But just in case if you're a bit pickier or something, I really don't care. And there we have it. The Kitchen Selectives single drip coffee maker.